Alternative assets in India are doing extraordinarily well. As you can see, there has been tremendous interest globally in stepping up investment in India. We've seen, for example, the Canadian funds really build up their positions in India. When you speak to foreign LPs, when you speak to foreign investors, they like what they see in India, particularly post-demonetization, which of course has been a tremendous success here.
So foreign investors, you're getting a thumbs up from them on demonetization?
Very much so. Foreign investors are seeing that cash to GDP is coming down and tax to GDP is going up. And so as a result of that, they really see this as a very, very powerful structural reform for India. As you saw, the GST Council has largely approved the raft of legislation that has to be passed. So the very important structural reform associated with GST is coming through. So foreign investors are very excited about India, both on the public market side and on the private market side, which is what alternatives represent.
So the other thing I want to just ask you is that because you're talking about foreign investors and the tax to GDP going up, the Chief Statistician's Officer has also come out with a 7.1% figure, which means we continue to be the fastest growing economy in the world, despite the opposition perhaps not liking it and raising credibility issues. So in light of that, have you got any feedback yet from the foreign investors?
Well, facts are facts. Everybody's entitled to their opinion, but they're not entitled to their own facts. And the facts are clear, and I think they have spoken, and they're telling us that what we have been doing in the economy, both in terms of the structural reforms that we have unleashed, as well as the kind of investment that government and private sector players are making, are really contributing to very strong growth. And with the global economy now beginning to recover, you know that capital markets around the world are doing well, that there is tremendous hope for stronger economic growth in America, and those trends seem to be well established, that this will mean excellent growth in India and of course much higher profits for us.
But Janet Yellen seems to have indicated we're going to see a rate hike in mid-March. We seem to be on, we've changed our stance as well. The RBI has done that. Could that go against us?
It depends on whether you have a glass half empty or a glass half full view of the world. I have a glass half full view of the world. If the Fed is raising rates, it's raising rates because economic growth is robust and the US is close to full employment. That's very positive for the global economy. It's very positive for us as well, because we are of course a very important trading partner for the US. So I see this as a good story.
One of the black holes in the economy is the NPAs. Do you think that is continuing to be a huge problem and standing in the world of development?
We are of course working on all sorts of mechanisms to be able to address the NPA issue.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.